Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to teach you how to make a simple floating typography effect on Canva application. So first open your Canva and then make a new project. And after that, you just need to type a word that you want to add the floating effect. So for example, I'm just going to type top. So I will try to type it one by one, word by word, like this. So top first is T, and then I would like to change the font onto a bold font. So I'm using this LR display regular, this one, and then duplicate the first font and then change it onto the next word like this, and then duplicate it again and change it onto P like this. And after that, positioning it like this, click it, change the color. For me, I would like to try to add a silver color or a gray color like this. Change it. Okay. After that, now there's two ways, but the first one, you need to save this design, and then you can add an effect to make it have a shadow effect. The second way, I will show you the way. First, add an image. So for example, I'm going to add a field like this, and then search it, and I think I'm just going to use an image to adding this one, and then set it as a background, this, and after that increase the size of the text like this to make it has a perspective effect like this. And then for the last part, I will increase it onto this size, and you just need to positioning it everything. Okay, sorry, I think I will put it there, and this one here, and this one I'm going to put it here. Okay, after that, now click each word and then add a leaf effect, this one, and then increase it to 100, and this letter 2, add a leaf effect and then increase the leaf effect onto 100. After that, you just need to click the elements and then add a shadow. So just type shadows, search it. You can choose any shadow effect on your element, but for me I'm just going to use this kind of effect and then put it here. After that, decrease the transparency onto 50 like this, or maybe 60 if it's too transparent, like this. Duplicate it and put it in every single word like this, and then wait for a moment, duplicate it again. The last part is the P like this, and then positioning it, I will put it here. Okay, and this one I will move it to this side. After finish, this is the result that you will get, and that's the way how to add a floating effect on your typography using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.